Hi, I'm Bretherton, CEO of Caddie, and I'd like to introduce Caddie 27 to you. Despite the COVID pandemic continuing to disrupt normal working, we've had a lot of new improved features to show you. One of the most significant new features we've implemented is our cloud licensing. Rather than carrying a physical dongle between machines or transferring a network license, those who have upgraded to cloud license have enjoyed being able to use their Caddie on any machine, anywhere they have internet access, or even in places where they don't, by downloading the license locally to their PCs. Before we look at the new features in Caddie 27, just a reminder for anybody using old versions that come the end of this year, Caddie 24 will be retired. So if you're still using that, it's time to upgrade. So what do we have new for you in 27? Well, you can click through the videos in the playlist to see for yourself, but I'm going to highlight just a couple now. We spent some time on making migration between versions easier. Caddie 27 migrates more settings than any previous version to save you time when you upgrade. We've done an awful lot of work on blocks, with smarter options for setting and changing origins, better attribute scheduling and faster editing. For those of you who do a lot of detailing using some of the specific mechanical and architectural commands, you'll notice we've upgraded a number of these classic commands to make them easy to work with, to make them create smarter drawings. Our catalogue's got some update with some great new window content, and images get some new ways of clipping for better presentation. There are also many improvements to general drafting tasks as well, such as dimensions, leaders, and new enhanced ways of editing drawings that may have come from other users and may need some cleaning up before they adhere to your standards. Caddie 26 gave us some huge performance in areas such as switching between sheets, but sometimes at a cost of performance in the model space. We've addressed this in Caddie 27 with a number of performance improvements with faster regens and snaps in those drawings. Thanks for watching this short video clip. I've only covered a few of the many enhancements to 27, most of which have come directly from requests from the users, so I'm sure it'll be very popular. To see more of them in action, click through the playlist and watch the presentations.